So in this video I'll be explaining how I managed to create these nets. So what I did first was to look at the shape of the cube and then draw the net. So I first started with the bottom of the cube, and then the lines here, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. I started by drawing the square here also, and then even this one I started with 5 centimeter here, 5 centimeter here, and then for the cone was 5 centimeter here and here. So this is the net of a cone. That's what I did to create this. I used the ruler to measure this thing. This one must be equal so that it can close well. Same applies to this one, 5.5 centimeter, and then here I've used 6 centimeter. In order for you to get an accurate shape, you have to measure. So I learned how to measure. I learned how to be a critical thinker, to think critically, and I gained some skills, hand skills, and a problem solver.